Hello everyone, so I just want to share with you all another cooking story or another recipe. So this time I'm going to share with you a honey glazed braised pork rib. So Chinese style siya guys. Pero minarinate ko to siya ng lemon, Sprite, soya sauce, garlic, and what else? Lemongrass. So, nagyan ko yung lemongrass yung pag-marinate ko dito. And then, pepper and salt, guys. So, ilalagay ko din dito kung paano ko siya minarinate. Tapos, ipapan-fry nyo lang siya na maging golden brown both side. Tapos, yung sauce ng marination, yun yung gagamitin nyo para isabaw dito or i-water dito. Para hindi na kayo mag-add ng any seasoning. So, yun lang. Tapos, tanggalin nyo din yung some garlic. Pwede nyo ilagay dito back sa inyong honey glazed pork rib. So, yung honey, guys, ilalagay nyo siya before maluto or before mag-thicken yung sauce. So, doon ko siya nilagay. So, in-boil ko siya or stew ko siya for palambutin. Stew mo siya for 45 minutes. So, ano na yun siya. After 40 minutes, ito ilagay nyo siya or bago mag-thicken yung sauce, lagay nyo yung honey. Tapos, i-combine, nyo lang siya, i-stir fry nyo siya. So, yun lang. Napaka-easy itong honey glazed pork rib, guys. Pero, yung sauce niya, ipa-thicken nyo para masarap siya. So, ganyan lang. After 45 minutes, yun yung honey na ginamit ko para dito. So, they call it honey glazed pork rib. So, dapat yung sauce niya ganito. Thicker yung sauce. Para, yung wala na talaga parang sabaw ba? Parang thick na yung sauce na magdidikit sa inyong pork rib. Tapos, sprinkle nyo lang din siya ng some spring onion on it for the decoration. Tapos, ganyan lang. Napaka-easy at napaka-yummy itong honey glazed pork rib, guys. You must try to cook this. So, ilalagay ko dito yung mga ingredients na ginamit ko at napaka-easy at napakadali lang siyang gawin. I promise to all of you. Then you just put on the plate and serve while it's hot. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan itong video. God bless you and take care always. Please respect each other and be kind always. See you again for the next recipe video, guys.